a program of Adagio Health. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Okay, and as per usual, I was along with
RCT3222165.
what?
AKA the one who took a big urine inside of a women's pool.
What?
No!
Anyways,
Oh my gosh.
what?
Say your fucking name, Jabber. I am. Wait.
Oh no.
I am.
Oh no.
No, I didn't. Oh no.
I like this all. What?
Sorry, but the person you are trying to reach is not available.
Anyways,
RCT32165.
thank you.
Currently being a little horny fuck after.
Of course you are.
After hanging out with girls yesterday.
Well, for real. This is like 165.
Wow.
Anyway, there isn't really much to say except for some of my, basically all of my stations that I'm running are fucked up in terms of audio. So they're gonna be down, and I'm gonna fix them tomorrow, sometime tomorrow, and into the week.
I realized said my name.
Huh?
Never said my name.
What?
Can you shut the blind?
I never said my name.
Oh, well, what's your name then?
Anyway, I'm Savage Hammer 2413.
Yes, and by the way, y'all should go check out the video of him fixing my WR300. So you should totally check that out. And in other news, oh, sorry, go ahead.
That had to be one of my quickest soldering works I've ever done, which
Well,
was amazing.
yeah,
And
well,
this actually has a good chance to maybe repair the screen of my WR301 for the first time since July of 2021? Maybe August, I don't know.
yeah, but
It had to be August.
yeah. But yeah, there's not anything else to say, except for me fixing my stations, because I don't know what the hell even happened.
What?
No! Anyways, don't need to fix my stations and that shit. Yeah, so that is all, and yeah, basically a lot of crap has happened today. Anyway, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.